We have been married for 3 years. After we got our wedding pictures, we downloaded them to our computer. My mom made a print for us, but other than that, we didn't really do much with them. So a big thing for us is we have a couple friends who are making wedding albums, and it just seems like the process is taking so long for them to decide what they want to do and to place the layout and everything together. So the nice thing about our album was we went in and they had, a couple of options for price point. But also, once we got into design it, there was a little variety, but it wasn't overwhelming.
No,
it was we picked what we wanted and went through the process, and everything came out fantastic, and it didn't take a ton of time. There was an option in there where we could just put all the pictures that we wanted in, and they put out the layout for us, and it was perfect. We adjusted a few things, but we have really busy schedules between the two of us, so we didn't have an hour to sit down and do a wedding album. So it was nice that we could just sit down and plug everything in like that. So
very easy.
Yeah. I'm getting a little emotional, so I tried to work it.
It's one thing to see it, when you're doing it online, and it's a whole other thing to actually have it here in person and be able to look at it. Sorry, I'm slightly emotional. This is amazing. We have nothing like this.
Well, when we first got the book and opened it, we obviously were drawn to the actual quality of it, actually flipping through the pages. They're not flimsy like the old school albums that you see that are just kind of slopped together. I mean, this is actually, one of a kind. It's the quality. Yeah, it's a high quality.
There's a couple pictures in here. There's one, we had a yellow umbrella that was significant for us, and that picture really, it just popped. The color on it, I think, is even prettier than the umbrella was in real life, but you don't get that often. Usually you lose some of the quality.
It gets
when you get
dulled
something
down.
printed. Yeah, and this one, it's I opened that page in my face, I was just wow, that is exactly what that photo should look like, and that's even better than what that photo should look like, and that's fantastic for me. It's everything about this album that is amazing. We have these amazing quality photos. We have this beautiful resolution. These pages that, when I'm going through this, I'm touching all over these pages, and there's nothing. It's not leaving fingerprints. It's not, we're not smudging anything. The pictures are beautiful. The layout options, they just look so much more the wow factor is so much more when you get to see it in person. I love everything about this.
So the process was so easy, and we went through it fairly quickly, and put this book together. And with the layout of everything, it looks like I'm a professional. It looks like anyone could be a professional to do this, because the book is put together exactly how we decided it, and it looks great.
It looks beautiful, and it's not something you would expect, not something we would expect we would be able to do as
Right.
your everyday couple. But now we're seeing it, and it's just wow, we did this.